Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to erase or remove an object or people from a photo on your iPhone. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So in order to do this on your iPhone, you'll need an app called Snapseed. Snapseed is a free app from your app store. So go ahead and download it. Here I've already downloaded Snapseed, so I'll tap on open. Next I'll tap on the plus sign to open the picture. From here I'll select a picture. So in this photo I want to remove this plant from this photo. So to do this I'll tap on tools from the bottom. In this tool menu you're looking for healing, which is right here. Tap on it. And now go ahead using your finger, shade the part where you want to remove the plant. And by trial and error and slowly, you can basically remove the plant. It'll basically replicate what is around the object. And there you go, it has removed the plant from the photo. Now once you've done removing the object, tap on the tick here at the bottom right. Now tap on export and then tap on save. And now you've successfully removed an object from the photo on your iPhone. And there you go, that is how to erase or remove an object or people from a photo on your iPhone. So if this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.